Ready to transform your confusing Tableau dashboards into clear, insightful stories? Let's dive into how to add and format titles, instantly boosting your dashboard's impact. First, open your Tableau dashboard. Look at the left-hand side. You'll see a Objects pane. Drag the text object from the Objects pane onto your dashboard canvas, positioning it where you want your title to appear. Now, inside the text box, type in your desired dashboard title. Think concise and descriptive. For example, Sales Performance Q3 2023. Time to format. Select the text, and a formatting toolbar will appear here. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment of your title. I recommend a larger font size for readability and a color that complements your dashboard's theme. For an even cleaner look, you can remove the border around the title. Click on the text object, then go to the Layout pane on the left under Border. Select None. Finally, consider adding a subtitle below the main title for additional context, like regional breakdown or year-over-year growth. Use a slightly smaller font size for the subtitle. And that's it. With a well-crafted title, your Tableau dashboards will not only look more professional, but will also communicate insights more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.